What's up, people? What's up, good people? Good morning, good people. How you doing? Hey, I'm back from a 5-hour drive each way. Hey, listen, let's get right into some news. I'm only going to be before you shortly this morning. There is a lot going on, and I'm just trying to get things set up here for you. I just wanted to go on time. Hey, today is Moo Moo Monday. If you want to double your money right away, just click the top link below. And if you deposit $100, you'll get $100. It's just that simple. Good people, let's look and see what's going on here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, good morning, good people. There we go. Good morning. All right, let's get right into some news that is happening right now. All right, let's see. Let's look at Lucid. Lucid is the big story this morning. As you can see, it's almost up 10%. I'm filming this in pre-markets, almost 10%. Look at that. Why is Lucid popping this morning? Well, let's go down and see. Tesla's lead surge in battery clean energy, blah, 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 blah. Lucid's worldwide. Nope. Well, let me just tell you that Tesla is Aston Martin turns to US EV company Lucid for high-end EV. So Aston Martin, you remember, you know who the Aston Martins are, right? Ain't no po people driving Aston Martins, right? Ain't happening. All right. So Aston Martins range from $300,000 to $2.7 million per car. And they have turned to Lucid Motors to create an electric vehicle, a high-end electric vehicle. So as you can see, it is popping. Lucid is this morning. Now, the journey with Lucid is tricky because remember I was telling you guys they were going to have a share dilution because they needed to raise money, and then they did, right? And it's going to be a bumpy road for Lucid. Lucid still does not have enough money to continue. They will have to raise even more money in the future because EVs, electric vehicles, burn through a lot of money before they become whole, okay? Before they can actually start making money. Even companies like Ford won't be in profit with their EVs until 3 to 4 years from now. Actually, 3 to 4 years from now. Actually, 4 years from now, I believe Ford will be. But you got to spend that upfront money. Okay? All right. So let's look at what else is going on. Let's see here. Let's see what else is going on this morning. You guys know about Applied Digital, Apld. Look at that. All right. Let's look at that. Remember, the last close was 1025 and now we're down to 865, but we're up 7% in the pre-market because of what happened. All right. Because of what happened. What happened to Applied Digital? You guys know all weekend I've been covering it. They're in AI, okay? And they are crypto mining processing for crypto miners, such as Mara and RIOT. There was a scandal that came out. Well, the stock was running up because they did a deal was worth about $460 million. It's a small cap company, right? But that one deal is half of their entire market cap, all right? But what happened was there was a scandal that came out that said that the CEO was involved in some sexual harassment. And then there was another press release that came out hours after that that said that it was two consensual adults and the claim was unfounded. So it spiked up on the news that it did these contracts, and it did another contract the day before. Then it tanked after the hit job, and now is trying to come back. So let's see what it will do on opening bail, right? Someone said, what is my thoughts on Baba? Alibaba. All right. Baba is one of those problems. Alibaba is one of the stock that I get in and out. I know some people trade it. Some people invest in it. I trade it. I don't do any long-term investments into Baba or any of the Chinese ADRs. I have my own reason because it just one little slight bad news and they all go down. So what I do is I wait for the bad news to get into these type of stocks like Baba, Tencent, and all of these. If you're into Neo, all of these Chinese ADRs, and I use the bad news to buy when I think it's going down, down, down. Then I buy, and then of course I do options and try to ride it up. Okay, so let's see what else is going on. Let's look at crypto. Crypto has cooled off. For now, as you can see, crypto has cooled off. Everything is down. Okay. Well, I'm not going to say down. Everything has cooled off. And just because it's cooled off doesn't mean that it's done. This is what crypto does. Remember, as for me, I am in the accumulation phase. Crypto is in the accumulation phase. And so what am I doing right now with my crypto? I am accumulating. So I'm taking a snapshot right now so that I can show you guys where some of the top performing cryptos are. And we just kind of look at that. Bitcoin's like the S&P 500. Bitcoin's like the Dow and the S&P rolled into one, if you ask me, as it pertains to crypto. Let's look at it right now. Look at that. Not bad. Bitcoin is down about 1%. And everything else is, I think Cardano is the one that's doing the worst, down 2.5%. But that's for now. I do believe that it's just a cool off after a run up. And then I believe it has more upward pressure than downward pressure. Anything could happen. That does not mean that that's exactly what's going to happen. Okay. Any other interesting news? Let's see what else do we have going on today so I could get you guys off to work. That's what we want to do. Get you guys off to work. Let's see what else is going on. I sound like Marvin Gaye. What's going on? I know, y'all. I know. You was like, man, please don't do that. All right, let's answer a few questions. Let's do that. Okay. All right, where are we? 8 minutes in. All right. Thoughts on Alibaba? We answered that. Can you make a video on how to transfer crypto to a wallet? No, I won't do that. There's plenty of videos that do that, Charles. I just won't. And the reason why I won't, I'm gonna just keep it simple. If someone loses one dime transferring or don't do something right, I just don't want to be liable with crypto, man. I just won't. Enter at your own risk, transfer at your own risk. It's best to have your crypto off of these platforms, own your own crypto. But I just won't. I'm just keep it real because it's hard doing this job. You could lead 10,000 people right, and then that one person will scream louder than the 10,000 if something goes wrong. All right, let's get this money. I love that. That's wrong. Hey, what's wrong? What's wrong? Tell me what's wrong. Hey, good morning, beautiful people. You said buy APLD. You know what? It may cool off today. I would not go chasing APLD at this point. I would not go pumping a lot of money in. There could be another hit job. Just be careful. Just be careful. All right. Morning thoughts on long term. Absolutely. VOO, I every week, regardless of what's happening to the market, I'm in VOO every single week, right? I am just long term. I'm not swinging it. You do what's best for you. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to hold, sell, or whatever. All right. Yes, let's hit that like button. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Put calls on Mara's this week. You may go ahead. I'm not doing a put call on Mara. I'm not putting a put call on Mara. Mara can turn around today and start shooting back up. So me personally, I'm not doing it. But if you feel that Mara is going to cool off this week, then you go ahead. But not your boy, not me. There's certain things I just won't do. Like I will never do a put call on Tesla. I will never do it. Tesla's like an angry, hungry bear. All right. It will come back and get you. All right. Good morning. Just joining. I didn't know if you touched on Tesla. Hey, we just kind of did. Tesla is let's see here. Where is Tesla this morning? Let's look at Tesla too. Let's bring in Tesla. Let's see. Let's keep those open. TSLA. What is Tesla going to do today? It's Monday. All right. So here we got Tesla's flat. Okay. Tesla's only down 1.5%, as you can see here in the pre-markets. Now, here's what's funny about Tesla. This is nothing at the time of recording this. This is absolutely nothing. Tesla literally can turn around and go up to 260 today, and so that's why I never short Tesla. Tesla will trip you up. So just be careful. All right. So let's go back to Applied Digital, up 7 and 17%. So as we could see in the pre-markets, we're already up 7%. If this market turns around and goes green, then you guys know what's going to happen to Applied Digital. And I don't think enough people know that that was a hit job, and this could continue to go up. So let's just keep our eyes, make sure you have your stop losses set and on this, especially today. And then Lucid now is up. Look at that. It was up 10% just a minute ago. So Lucid has been up as much as 10% in the pre-market because Aston Martin is looking to Lucid to create an high-end electric vehicle. Okay. So, all right. Where are we at? We're at 12 minutes. Let's see here. Thanks, Charles. Yeah, thanks, Charles. Man, I'm just I need to stay focused on just keeping you guys fed. And then some things I don't want to touch because I'll spend weeks on that and then we'll be missing all of the plays. So that's why, I just want to keep it real. Hey, good morning. Good morning, Mommy Trader. Hey, I appreciate you too. One Love. One Love. You guys know how that go. SoFi, you were asking about SoFi. SoFi is kind of cooling off right now. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. That's right. Hey, welcome to the lives. Hey, for those of you that don't know, people go, hey, why didn't you tell me about this play? These lives in the morning pre-markets are when I tell you about my plays. Now, I would tell you guys to keep an eye on Tesla right now. To keep an eye on Tesla. If I do enter into a Tesla option, it will just be today because of where Tesla is. Okay. Remember, Josh, let's see here. I believe it's the same. Let's see here. All right. Let me see if I can pull something up that I believe that will help everybody. And then we'll call it a day as it pertains to Tesla. Let's see if I can pull this up. This will really help a lot of people. Okay, so we see where Tesla is right now. Tesla is at where? Pre-market to the right, highlighted in blue. Tesla's at 252, right? Now, as it stands right now, this is something our resident technical analysis guy, Stocks with Josh, showed us, right? if it breaks below 251, then we could be in what? Bear territory, right? You see that? Bear territory. Where are we? 252, right? So bear territory under 251 if it closes 251. But as you can see, if it closes and start getting in the 267 range, then it could run up. It could run up to $300. Follow? So I want you to see where it is. Now, that could change intraday. So keep your eye on that, right? Keep your eye on those key levels today because, yes, because it's down to 252, it could be a buying opportunity. Okay? But if it breaks below 251, then it could be in a free fall. And I want you guys to be, it's impossible because this happens like by the second. It's impossible for me to get that information to you. I want to show you guys how to fish. Now you can fish for yourself, okay? So somebody will come on later and say, well, you didn't tell us that because they wasn't on, and I'm telling you guys before the market opened. I want you guys to be informed. I want you guys to make money. Money, 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 all right? So listen, if you haven't done this, listen, just double your money right now. How do you double your money right now? Just deposit $100 and what? You can get your $100 right back. Now you got C3AI, which is a $33 stock now. Then you get 5 free stock. Just do it right now, good people. Let's see where C3AI is right now. C3AI. Let's see where that is right now. Look at that. So it's $33, all right? It had a big cool off on yesterday and now it's $33. You guys know I have done options on ticker symbol AI or C3AI, and I've made a killing on C3AI. Now, there were some of you guys that did a put on it last Friday. You're doing really good, but now this may be the week that it's turning around, okay? And so let's just keep our eye on it. The markets at the time of recording this are mostly flat, right? So that's it. I always say 20 minutes. I want to get you guys going, but I always try to feed the family as much as possible. I may be just watching the markets today. Think it's a good day to just sit. Man, this is a great, look at this. I may be watching the markets today, thinking it may be a good day to just sit, sideline, and see what price actions does. I love that comment because that is so true, especially it being Monday. Listen, I'm going to pin this one because this is wisdom, good people. This is wisdom. Sometimes you just sit back and chill. I love that comment. Just sit back and chill. You don't have to trade every day. Do not trade yourself out. Do not blow up your accounts, good people. All right, we're going to leave it right there. Remember, top link, Moo Monday. Go ahead and get up to 17 free stock. But listen, soon as you sign up, get that deposit going. Look at that, $100, boom. You almost double your money right away. It's free money, people. I don't care if you never use the platform. It's free money. Get the free money, okay? But we are going to start. They're doing some changes, and we're going to start from there, okay? Make sure you check out that top link below. We'll see you later on the day. Have a blessed week, let alone a blessed Monday. Live, love, laugh, learn. And to those mean people on your jobs, be kind, rewind, do it again.